up, boys? Welcome to the stream. Come on. I'm gonna try to pass a few combine today, you know. Let's see if we have any trade. Welcome to the stream, boys. Let me set this up real quick. For the next couple days, I'm looking for NQ and ES to be all-time high. So you shouldn't short. And yesterday, you know, NQ reacted off of my low volume zone, which is really good, which is the zone I threw out. Just right below here. Low volume. Let's see if I can pass this combine today. Shit. Shit. I'm so lucky. Oh my god, I missed the move. I was gonna hop in right there, but I missed it. God fucking damn it. How could NQ do this to me? Damn it. Dude. I was gonna go in right here, but I forgot to link it and it was on goal. So now I just top ticket. I don't care, it's gonna keep going up. I hope so. Ah! I would be up like 500 by now if I entry just right here. It's fine. You know, it's fine. God damn it. Fucking forgot to link the chart. Trying to pass this combine for tomorrow. It's gonna keep going up. You know, you buy high, you sell higher. You don't try to guess the bottom or the top if you're an intraday trader. Like, just wait for confirmations. Like this is a broke out confirmation. Just wait and buy high, sell higher. You don't try to buy low, sell high. Yeah, you could, but it's just like without confirmation. Buy low, sell high is for investing, like where you like, you know, you just put your money in and you just let it run over time. But this is intraday trading. It's like intraday, you enter and you exit within an hour or maybe a couple hours. You don't try to guess the low, the top, you know, just go with the trend for now. But if you're an investor, what's my strategy? It's basically book map and volume profile. I'm a order flow trader. This is a book map right here, and I look for liquidity. Bam. See, you buy high, you sell higher. You don't try to guess the top or the bottom. Okay, that's how we do it. Like right now I could go break even, but I don't want it to. That's how you make money, you know. It's pretty simple. That's how you pass the fucking account. Come on now. W. You know, I was gonna enter right here, but like I missed the trade because I forgot to link to the order book. You buy high, you sell higher. It's intraday trading. You're not investing. If you're investing in stock, yeah, you're trying to wait for stock to go down. You buy low because you never get liquidate. But like if you are like day trading, you don't guess the bottom. I could guess the bottom right here. Yesterday, you know, I threw a box right here. I could bottom tick because I use order flow. And on volume profile chart, you can see this is a low volume note right here. Hold on. You see this low volume right here? This is where exactly I threw the box because this is where most of the big players came in. And look at this shit. They defend the positions. I could bottom tick, but you know, I was in sleep. Ah, come on. Come on now. W trade. Send the W in the chat, baby. Yeah, actually I'll try my stop loss up a little bit. Nah, I'm just gonna let it run, to be honest. I'm in 4 minis. Trying to get 1.5 right here. Ready for XFA tomorrow. You buy high, you sell higher. That's how you do it. You don't buy low, sell high. You're an intraday trader. Okay. You see, I bought so high, right? But look, that's a lot of money. Even which is like 4 micros, I would be up 80 bucks right now. You know, you buy high, you sell higher. And I'm telling you, it's gonna go all-time high. I've been telling the chat to keep buying NQ for all-time high. So right now I could put my stop loss under this big green bubble right here. This is why like a lot of big players came in, but you know, like 949, I could put it right there, 949. It's just like right here, or 46. But bam, 1.5k done for the day. You already know. A lot of people trying to short. That's when you buy, because the thing is pretty high right now. A lot of people that they're gonna short and big players are gonna buy them in. Bro, touch me. Come on. Come on now. NQ. Ah. Come on now, NQ. Don't be like that. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? Nah. This ain't real. There we go. First account done. Done with the account. Teaser. Yeah. But I know it's gonna touch me. It's fine. Done with the account. Maybe I'll buy another one or I'll trade on this funded right here. I just got payout today though. Yesterday I overslept. Like I went to sleep and then upload one of the funded account, but it's fine. Cause like go, it's just crazy. So now probably I'll just, you know, trade whenever I'm active instead of fucking when I sleep. Damn, bro, but look how volume profile is so accurate. So I could try out this box right here to fucking, you know, predict the price. And also you see this is the point of control. Most of the buyers came in from here. That's why you could bottom tick right here if you wanted to, but I don't want to guess. If me, I would want to wait for price get back up here, then I'll buy from here all the way to up here. I don't want to guess because you know, trading is a probability. So right here is still bearish, right? And you want to see if like buyers really defend it. So you want to wait for price to get up here before you buy. But right here, reason why I buy because that's already confirmation. A lot of buyers came in, and it's already broke out all of this range. It's just gonna keep going up. Just watch. It's gonna go all-time high. If not today, then tomorrow. I've been saying to the chat, bro, all-time high on NQ. Don't short this shit. Maybe you scalp, but like you don't short it. If you look at the bigger pictures, you would want to buy. Like buy would make you the most profit right here. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna buy another account. You know, then trying to get 1.5k. Just trying to max out my account real quick. Because I've been doing stupid shit, but and blew 2 of it. But I got 3k payout this week, so I'm okay with it. Trying to get 10k by next month. You know, like just when you first started, play small, and over the time you're consistent, then start to scale up, which is increase size. But at first, like, you know, it's just like when you try at first, you know, you gotta go slow. Like driving, like once you get used to it, like when you get used to the speed, you're gonna just keep driving fast and faster. But when you first start driving, you're gonna get scared to, like, you know, just go fast. Same with trading. At first, big size gonna make you just like gonna makes you emotional because like you never seen this have money before. So you need to get used to the number. At first start small, and over the time you're going to increase your tolerance to the money. But first start small, get the strategy down first. Once you have a system, then scale up. You know, let's see gold though. I bought gold right here too, just earlier today. And I think I went in 2 mini. Yep, 2 mini right here. And capitalized $500 just right up here. Let's see if I can pass this account. Look, volume profile, marked it out. Look for a low volume up. Okay, POC is up here. Most volume traded up here. So probably it's price. For fear, like that's why I say start small. Just trade a number. Just trade a contract size that, like, you know, if you lose that trade, you're not gonna get scared. So you would focus more on executing the trade and not about the money. Yo, what's up, Placo? Oh, I mean Phillips. I know this picture. Come on, Phillips. Oh, yeah. But at first, like, start small. That's how you're not gonna get fit. And once you get used to your system, then start scale up slowly, and over the time your tolerance is gonna increase, and you're not gonna get scared to like the mini size and stuff like that. Yeah, just start small, and over the time you see yourself like just naturally like increase the size without forcing it, without getting scared, you know, because like now at that time you already get paid out, you're confident, now you can increase size, but just don't force it. Like, don't increase size because of the money. Come on now. NQ just keep running. You buy high, you sell higher, right? Like, just like what I did earlier with this account. You buy high, you sell higher. You don't care. Don't go against the flow. Don't think it's too high right now. You gotta sell. You gotta short. You know, a lot of people think like that, including me back then. Like I was used to think like, oh yeah, price high right now. Yeah, we have the supply zone right here, a key zone right here. But you know, in order for me to go short, I need to see some bearish structure. But right now it's just bullish. You know, you don't go against the volume. Look at this. Dude, like how many buyers are supporting this? Look at all of these green bubbles. Do you even see a red bubble? This is like big players entry. Dude, like maybe down here, right? And then look, this big red bubble is like sellers try to defend, but buyers push through it, and they're already out of the zone. And now look, only green bubbles. So why would you want to go against all of this strong player? You're just a small fish, you know. You're weak. You cannot control the market. Come on now. So, you know, I would go short if I see bearish. It just makes sense. You see, you trade. You don't see, you don't trade, man. So if I don't see bearish, I don't trade. Or if you think price is too high, then just don't trade. Wait for retracement or something. But don't ever go against the flow. Yeah, the heat map. Yeah, I paid with this. Right now I have a discount, 150 bucks for 3 months, and you gotta buy the data, which is 30 bucks a month. Heat map, yeah. And heat maps, it's hard to use, but once you get used to it, it's a powerful tool. But you need to learn how to use it. Like you need to learn how to read the context in the market. So let's say right here, this, I'll explain it simple. So you see this before I see all of this, right? So this is where the most, like the big player came in, right? So look what happened when price pulled back to it, just like over here, or like right here. See, they defending it. You see, if I see buyers defend, I would hop along and keep going with it. You see sellers trying to push down, but they can't. Let me look for some more good example, because today is a trend day. Maybe there's no pullback at all, you know. So I gotta look for like area where like buyers and sellers fight. Look, okay, I'm gonna show you one example of absorptions. You see, this is a lot of sellers, right? But price barely moving, which is what? There are a lot of limit buyers holding price that absorbs all of those sales order. You know, this is market orders, which is aggressive sellers. Aggressive seller came in, and then all the limit buyers keep absorbing them. That's mean like big players are not absorbing them with limit buys. and price barely moved down. And then after that, if I want to go in for a long, I'll wait for this to break this high. And you see, as soon as it break the high, a lot of buyers came in. This is where I would long and just hold and put my stop loss below this ball, you know. Or I think yesterday have some good example. You see, most buyers came in around right here. So they kind of, when price come back, they defend it, but like once it's flushed through, it's just gonna go down. So this show you like where buyers and sellers came in, you know, pretty good. And look up here, a lot of buyers get trapped, you know. So as soon as price push down right here, it's flush because all of these buyers are forced to cover their positions. Let's see. Okay, if price come back here and holding this ball, I'm gonna keep going for long, right? Which is where? Around, okay, so I split the zone now. This is the first zones buyers gotta defend. You see they're defending. This, if this fell, this is the second zone. If this fell, they're gonna flush all the way down to here. So these are the zones I'm looking for. 5, 6, 5, 6, 56. You know, okay. But it seems like buyers are defending this zone, right? Look, the first buyer is defending it. If they don't defend, then we come back to here to see if like these buyers defend. Oh my god, NQ, it just keep going. Who trying to short this? The more you short, the more it's gonna go up, because short, they sell and someone gotta buy it, right? So who's gonna buy it? The big players, you know. So if the short's just gonna fill this to just go all-time high, dude. Goddamn, no retracement. Yeah, this also include DOM, but I'm just using the book map right now. Sometimes I use the DOM, sometimes I don't. You can see this has a DOM too. Yeah, like the government shut down, but who cares? You know, I don't care about the news. All I care is this candle. You don't focus on the news. You just look at the candle, you trade the shit. You know, that just a news that manipulate the market, that force, you know, a lot of retail traders to just sell. You see this? You know, if that news caused this, you know, like a lot of retail traders scare and get out, and who fucking get that stuff? The big players. The big players. And now what? They're creating FOMO for retail. A retail trader be like, damn, bro, because of the news I sold out, bro, but now price will all the way back up. Should I re-entry? You know, see, that's a manipulation in the market, right? So the news, it's just a manipulation. It makes retail to just give up their positions, and fucking the whales just take all of their positions and push this all the way back up. Yeah, like I trade forex too. I used to trade forex, but what I love about centralized market like this is you can see the orders in the market. You know, you don't guess. It's all about logic now, because like you get all this data and you use it to support your trade, give you a higher probability trade. Because as I say, trading is a probability game. There's no 100% win rate. Even 90%, there's no 90% win rate, bro. Unless like you go for like, you have a negative RR, you know? But that shit is just, it doesn't make sense. If you go for negative RR, that's mean like you're a bad trader. Or not a bad trader, but like, it's just like, bro, it's not sustainable, bro. For me, it's not sustainable. But I've seen some good trader do it, like negative RR, and they profit from it. Yeah, I know it's kind of complicated, but you know, in order to be profit, you gotta have an edge. Like my edge is this, and I know this gives me a lot of advantage against other fucking trader. Not just like trial line boxes, but with I support all my line and boxes with the fucking data, and that's give me you know, a couple more percentage win rate and give me more convictions in my trade. No, they don't. Sometimes they spoof, but you know, this bubbles are real orders in the market, so this are not spoof. But maybe limit orders, like you see this, they might spoof. But you see, I just use this bubble to support my trade. There's a real order in the market, and they already entry. You know, they're already in the market. They cannot remove the order. Yeah, order flow is a cheat code. But like, you know, this band right here, this is real liquidity. You don't guess the liquidity. You see right here, and sometimes they spoof. You know. But I don't trade based on, I just use this as an info like this, man. But what I really look for is like bubbles. This is orders that already placed in the market. You know, they committed in the market. Like they cannot take it out. They're already in the positions. How they gonna fucking manipulate these orders? You know? Bro, like if you have a million portfolio, you're in the market, bro. How are you gonna fucking exit? Unless like, bro, I don't know. But it's not manipulate. These bubbles are not manipulate. This is real order in the market. You know, with ICT, you're just guessing the liquidity, but this is the data. Okay, we have liquidity at 25,000 with what, 106 orders, and price might look for it. You know, with ICT, you guess the reversal, but I don't trade the reversal. I just trade with the order. You know, we have liquidity down here, 24,950. You know, with ICT, how you gonna know like that's liquidity at 950, which is right here? That's nothing. You just use swing high and low, right? Maybe fair value gap. But this is the data, the real data, bro. I pay for this shit. Look, we have liquidity right here. Look, let's see if we get fill. Get all of this limit buy, get fill. 970. Right? How you gonna know there's liquidity in 970 with ICT, bro? Come on. Come on now, bro. It seems like they don't wanna get those order fill. Let's see if we can get a fill. Let's see the DOM. Also, if you don't want to use this, yeah. Bro, everyone is welcome in my Discord. If you want to learn bookmap or anything, bro, it's free. I don't have any course, but like you're welcome to ask me any questions. I don't have any video about bookmap or anything yet. Yeah, you can use this with ICT, you know, but this gonna give you like, with ICT you try fair value gap, right? And you use this to confirm like, is this fucking fair value gap holding or not, you know? So ICT with this is fucking profit, bro. So you would try out some of the fair value gap, right? Let's see right here. Let's see, we have this fair value gap right here. Okay, you would go to fucking you know, what a book. Once price get down here, you know, you're bro, I wish I can get 100 subs, but I don't forget anyone's, you know, like everyone's here since day one, bro. Like some of the people in my Discord since been with me since I started trading, which is 4 months ago, you know. But hell yeah, bro, like dude, but I know once I get more subs, like, you know, there will be so many people and I can't remember everyone, bro. But if you've been with me since day one, yeah, definitely, like y'all the people I would remember, because like you've been with me since day one. But once I get to like 10k subs, how I'm gonna know everyone? Yeah, no, I've been trading since 15, but 4 months since I really, like, you know, focus on trading, I just lock myself in the room and just fucking trade for 4 months, bro. I lock myself in the room. That's what I do, bro. Like, I don't spend any time outside at all. Lock myself, go to work, going back home, back test, you know, journal, everything. Just like actions, you know, like, dude. But you know, I'm saying like putting a lot of work right here, not taking a lot of trade, but you gotta journal your trade. Taking a lot of trades, it's not like some people like they think taking a lot of trades doing something, but it's not. It's really bad. You need to journal your trade and everything. Like, if you don't put all of your efforts into taking trade, bro, like, you gotta journal, you gotta learn from your mistake. That's what you need to do, not taking many trades, bro. They think the more trades they take is the good, but it's not. The more trade you take, the more unprofitable you are, you know. So right now I'm just waiting, you know, because like now it's consolidating. Let's see. And you know why I don't trade this breakout? Because look at the candle, it's not as strong as like down here when I played that breakout. You know, look, I played the breakout right here. Look how strong the candle, you know, just so strong. A lot of people are trying to short this. I swear to God, that's why like it's keep going up, because they adding fucking liquidity in the market. Like, they sell, someone gotta buy, right? Who buying? The big players. I swear to God, many people trying to short right now. Let's see the tilt. 55% people shorting, and Q on Topstep alone. You know, they're trying to guess the top right here, because we had you know, we had a fucking key zone right here, you know, so they're trying to short this shit. We still have liquidity down here. Let's see if we can get this order filled. And let's see if price is gonna flush down or it's gonna hold. Dude, like, when you first start trading, don't take a lot of trade. Like, what you need to do the most is take small trade and journal that shit down, backtest a lot. Yeah, I used to struggle, I'm still struggle with psychology, but I'm getting better. Dude, psychology is the hardest. That's why I say, like, just fucking take small trades, and over the time you're gonna get used to the tolerance to the big size. I mean, like, you're gonna get used to that small size first, and then you start scale up. And the first time you scale up, yeah, you're gonna take loss because of emotions, because it's not usual to you. It's not a normal thing you would do every day. And over the time, you're gonna get used to that money, and then like you're gonna start to increase size again. Oh my God, see, the more people shorting, the more it's gonna go up. Look, all of this short already get liquidated. That's why we got this move, because they cover. Look, as soon as we break out, they covered the positions. It feel another move. Ah, damn it, just go. You buy high, you sell higher. Fucking shit. It just go. Duh. It just go. Yeah, I trade basically order flow, market structure, and volume profile. I see, you know, just like right here. Let's see, you know, the reason why I got this box throughout is because of order flow. You don't guess. You know, yeah, that's a fair value gap right there, but you don't guess which fair value gap gonna work, because this one, look, low volume node. This is a fair value gap. Maybe I think there's a small one. Yeah, look. You know, you don't guess. This is where big player entry right here, they're gonna defend. And it didn't even touch this fair value gap, and this value gap already mitigated, right? So maybe you're not gonna think like it didn't even reach this fair value gap. So low volume node is the most accuracy, because that's the actual volume in the fucking chart. Because fair value gap is just like you drawing it out and you guess if it's gonna hold or not, you know. But this is fucking just It just worked. Look. So if I this is actual data, you know. I don't guess fair value gap. I don't guess because this is the data. Fair value gap. Can you see this data, bro? Come on. So you use this data with fair value gap, you're gonna be profitable. I swear to God. You know, fair value gap does work, but you just gotta have something to prove that this fair value gap gonna hold, right? What you use, volume, because volume never lies, but price does lie sometime. Out. Yo, Phillips, congrats on that payout, bro. Congratulations on the payout. Okay, some bearish. Let's see if we can get this order filled. Yeah, probably it's come back for this liquidity right here. Trying to get this fill real quick. See, this is when like now it's the first time you see bearish structure, right? You don't guess. You see this bubble, but look, a lot of people are selling, but price won't go down, bro. Like someone is holding the market, right? You don't guess. Someone is holding the market. A lot of sales order right here, but price soon fucking stall out and going back up. What the fuck? You know? Someone is holding the market. But where I want to enter is probably down here or down here. I want to see this a retest on this two big buyers right here. See if they hold it. Yo, welcome to the stream, everyone. Damn, we got 9 views, bro. Come on now, like, bro, I got sent this in the Discord, bro. Bro, when I first started streaming, bro, like, it was just myself, but over the time, people just kept getting in, you know, like, bro, this is progress. I love it. Thank you for everyone in the stream. I really appreciate it, y'all. See, when you see star right here, this means absorptions. Fucking some limit buyers just don't let the market out. You see, I could go in for a buy at the retest right here, but look at this shit, bro. Now buyers coming in again, aggressive buyer. Yeah, I wish I'd be on Topstep live. Let's see though, but you know, look at this absorptions. You see a lot of sellers, but price don't go down. You don't see it on the chart. You see it in the fucking order flow book. Look at the shit, bro. Can you see it right here though? No, you cannot see shit. Come on now, you know. But I see absorptions. And then like maybe I'll entry for retest. Come on now. God damn it. You know. But you know, it's still too high for me to buy right here, cause I want to see a retest, another retest, please. What's Thunderdome? Let me search it up. Thunderdome? No, this is a concert. Where's Thunderdome? Okay, so for EMA, I just use it to see the trend. I don't do the crosses and stuff like that, you know? Yeah, I don't know Thunderdome. What the fuck? It's a prop firm? So EMA is where I look for trend, and VWAP is like intraday weighted price. So like, this is like the fair value right here. Like this is where the weighted price of the day. And usually like, you know, above VWAP you buy, below VWAP you short. What is Thunderdome? Hold on. So do I search what? No. Is it like the competition's like between what was his name, Coach Dakota, and the other guy, I think. Oh yeah, I saw an X post about it. Yeah, yeah, sir, chat. Yeah. Bro, Dakota, he's a good trader, but like, bro, he blew his live account, bro. I feel bad for him. You know, sometimes, yeah, he's a good trader, but it's all about psychology. Sometimes you get tilt, you blow your account, bro. That's the hard thing about trading. Even if you're so good, you're still gonna blow your account if you get emotional. No matter what, you're gonna break your rules. Even Jesse Livermore, bro, like, he makes billions of dollars. Like, he was making $100 million back then, and that's to today's money, it's like billions of dollars, and he blew everything, and he went fucking bankrupt. It's all about emotions. It's all about psychology, bro. If you're good with your psychology, bro, I swear to God, you're so profitable. Even if you don't have a fucking strategy, bro, like, psychology. Even if you don't have a profitable strategy, but if you have a good psychology, bro, it's so hard for you to blow your account, bro. Because you don't revenge trading, you don't oversize, you don't do all of this stupid stuff. How you gonna blow your account? Maybe you break even, you know? Because like, overall, if you take a 1-to-1 trade and you just flip the coin, you know, over the time, the win rate is just gonna come back to 50%. And tips for beginner trader, go for a 1-to-1 RR, and like, you know, over the time maybe increase your RR, but I don't trade, I don't focus on RR. I just like get in a trade, I see the drawdown as my ammo to see how many trade I get, and once I'm in a winning trade, I'm gonna let it run. So I'm gonna use this as an ammo, you know, like, okay, I'll risk $300 per trade, and you know, like, let's see, you know, I use it as attempt to go for big trades. So over the time, I'm gonna get a big one, and just I usually do is just keep trialing my stop loss with it. You use your drawdown as ammo. Think about it, it's like your ammo in the gun, bro. And if you're disciplined, one day you're gonna catch a big trade. But if you're not, then like one time you just fucking turn it into automatic and then just fucking spray everything, you know? And then once the enemy showed up, you already ran out of fucking bullets and you're gone, dude. So just like today, yesterday a lot of people blew their account, right? And today, you know, that's the manipulation of the market right there. Make people blow their account. Then today, when the market run, they're out of bullet. Holy shit. You know, they're out of bullet. And people with the bullet gonna make the most money right here. That's the manipulation in the market. See how many people out of bullets right here, bro? Like, yesterday market was just insane. I got one of my account blue, one of my bullet gone. I was up 2K too, but you know, I caught this big move up, but bro, I thought it's gonna keep running, but just to realize that yesterday was just a consolidation. I got in right here, I got this whole move with 15 micros. I was up so much. But you know, I didn't trial my stop loss. And then like I went to the dentist and my phone ran out of battery and come back. I thought I was gonna keep running, but realized that my fucking account's already blue. So yeah, but I did take a payout on that account, so I'm fine with it. Yesterday it was just insane day right there. And you know, all of this is just accumulation, trap traders in. make them run out of bullets, and today they make the run. You know, this is what caused a big run right here. Accumulations from the big players. Fucking trap long, trap short, trap everyone. Fucking don't let anyone in the market, and then when they go down here, they trap the short again. Then this is the final run up to all-time high. You know, because at this point it's so close to all-time high, so probably a lot of people think it's gonna run all-time high. That's what they doing this shit. But I've been saying to chat, bro, it's gonna run all-time high. But it's just I don't know when. That's why timing in the market is so, it's a good skill to learn. You gotta have good timing. You gotta be patient to wait for all of this to, you know, to be done over with before. Yeah, basically you just wait for the money to set on the table for you to take it. So by this time, a price move back to here, react from here, and get back here. You know, this is when I see the money on the table, and I'll just take it for free. Like I would know, like this is 100% win rate right here. This right here, because the context is like sellers got trapped. This to respect this, you know. And look, another confluence right here. Sellers get trapped again, and once price pull back up and this breakout, bro, it's just gonna go, because a lot of fuel in the market for it to go. Dude, it's liquidity grab, but it's gonna, I think tomorrow we're gonna run all-time high. Swear to God. Let's see the book map though. Oh, they removed the order. I think so. Yeah, some of them removed the order. See, some of them spoof. They removed some of the order right here. This didn't even get filled. They removed the order, so this probably go lower right here. They removed the order. Look, it's gonna go lower because I know limit order support. You see? It's just gonna go lower. They removed the order. They spoof right there. This is manipulations. Using order flow, not guessing. You know, at first people think this gonna support price, but now they remove the order. You know, they remove it. Guess what? We flush. And now it's getting to my zone. Let's see if this gonna hold. You know, if it's hold, I'm along. If not, then I'll wait for this zone down here, which is right around 56, right? Yeah, 56. If this don't hold. You see, they removed the order, they spoof right there, manipulation right there, and we just flush through. Okay, seems like this buyer's holding. You can see, right? They're trying to hold. But I feel like this is a lot of short, and then like someone spoof right here. I think it's gonna go lower to 56. They spoof. Fuck them spoof. Look, they have order right here, and around right here they just removed the order and spoof this shit. God damn it. They spoof it. To what? So they can buy at a lower price. Fucking spoofer. Look, and then we see the seller big bubble right here. Look, once price get up here, you're gonna see sellers start to defend. If they not be able to defend, it's gonna go back up. Just look. Just look. Let's see if they're gonna defend it, because this is where most of sellers come in. Watch, they're about to defend it. You see, price kind of defending. If buyers too aggressive, they're gonna push up, but I don't see a lot of green bubbles right now. Okay, they're defending it. You see, they're defending it. Now it's going back down. More aggressive sellers stepping in. So you could top tick right there where this big bubble at. But I wouldn't do that, because like this is still an uptrend. And this sellers might just be profit taker. Let's see though. But you can see like how accuracy this is. Just right at the fucking bubble. They're defending. But as I say, it's still an uptrend, so I wouldn't short. I would rather wait for this zone over here. See, this zone already defending price, so now it's a fight between sellers and buyers, right? Between this two zones. And if this buyer fell, the seller gonna push towards here and see if this buyer's defend. Because once they push through this buyer's gonna cover their positions. We go to the next zone. It's gonna flush down as soon as we push out down this low. But you can see sellers defending right now. And then what? Right here we have buyers came in, but it's not a lot of buyers. It was just a lot of limit buyers. As you see a big red bubble, but there's limit orders, so now those limit buyers defending. So let's see if sellers right here defend it again. If not, we go down. If not, we go up. But if they defend it, we go down. But as I say, it's still uptrend, waiting for here. So my line 56. If I see absorptions, I see buyers defending. I'm along this bitch. And right here we have some limit order too. Some limit buy supporting the market. So let's see. See sellers defend at that zone. We're going back down. Just right at the bubble right here. A double top. As soon as we flush this low, we're going down to here. 56. I swear to God. Just got flushed through the low, we go down to 56. Some of the buyers right here still defending, you know. But as soon as we flush this low, buyers lost. We're gonna flush down, baby. To my zone 56. Come on. Let's see if we can get entry long down here at the 56. And you don't trade in these zones, because like this is where buyers and sellers fighting each other, which is consolidation zone. You don't trade the consolidation. It's either getting back up here out long, or getting down here. I see buyers are better price for me to long. And reason why I don't short is because fucking bullish market right now. So if get back up here, I'm along this shit. Get back above here. Above here. Above this cluster solid too. I'm along this shit. So I'm along above here. Try out some the line right there. Buyers defending. It's either long at 56 or above 79. Let's make it 79. Come on. If the sellers fell, we're gonna come to this zone. But I still think we have a good chance to go to 56. No, I gotta take a photo. 11 viewers? Fucking shit. Y'all killing it today. Come on now. Really appreciate y'all. One day I'm gonna get 100 viewers at the same time. I hope so. I just love to when a lot of people in here and chatting with me, you know. I love to talk to people. And I'm happy to answer every questions. Even though I'm just a new trader, you know. But it's fun to talk to people. And, you know, if y'all have some good advice, I'll take it, you know. Like, I love to learn. You know, I learn from everyone. I don't, even if you're a new trader and you give out good advice, I will still take it. Because for me, like, I don't care whoever give me advice, but, you know, if it's, I filter out the information. If it's good, I'll take it. If it's not, then I won't take it and I won't say anything, you know. But if it's a good advice, I'll definitely think about it and take it, you know. Stay humble in the market. That's how you become profitable. You just, you know, if people give you advice, just think about it. If not good, then like just don't take it and don't say anything. But if it's good, then you take it. You know, there's still a lot of things in this world that I can explore by fucking just, you know, at first, like, I was unprofitable because I don't take any of the advice. I think I'm good at it, but, you know, once I'm started to listening to people, bro, like, I'm so profitable, man. So the first thing I learned, I think, yeah, definitely was ICT. But, you know, over the time, ICT is just not for me. And I figured out order flow. ICT is, it's just like, for me, it's just guessing, but like order flow gives me more convictions because I can see what's real time, you know, like what's real, like the real thing in the market. I don't guess. But you know, I'm not against ICT trader, but you know, it just, sometimes I hate ICT trader because they are so confident, you know. They're just so confident. Like, they are like, I'm 100% sure this is gonna happen, you know. But I'm not against like ICT trader at all. Market is not 100% sure. In trading, you gotta use if else, not like for sure, you know. It's a probability thing in percentage, probability of your trade. If this happen, this is what you know. If else, I'll do this. You know, you gotta program your brain to be like that. Use if else. So if price get above here, I'll entry. Else, price get down here, and buys event, I'll entry long. This is my two scenario right here. See, I have multiple scenarios for the trade, right? So if we get back above, I'm gonna look for a long. But you see, it's always defending again. Bias for today is still long, so who want a short? Let's see, low volume zone. We have a low volume zone right here, you know. Bias might defend right here, so just right here, yeah, 58. You see, but if it's not get above, like just consolidate, or like if it didn't get below here, it's just consolidate. Who want to trade in this consolidations? You don't want to trade in here. You don't want to take trade in here. You don't guess. You don't guess it's gonna go up from here. You don't guess it's gonna go down from here. You wait for the zone of like where most of the active buyers or sellers you trade. Let's say right here earlier, this zone right here, there was a lot of sellers, so I could get in a sell right here, but as I say, it's an uptrend. You don't trade the consolidation. You know, you don't wanna spend your time in this shit. Like, you just wait. If we get above, bro, like, we're gonna go up like instantly. I don't wanna fucking like get in and then being in the consolidation. Cause like down here we have buyers, up here we have sellers. So it's between these two zones they're fighting, you know? Between these two zones is where they're fighting. Buyer taking price up again. Damn, today buyer strong, right? So that's why you don't short from here. Damn, 101 sub. Come on now. Shit. Thank you everyone for sub. Give me a like. Hit that thumbs up button. If you like the stream. If you get back above here, I'm alone. On this combine right here. We have a lot of liquidity at 25. That might be the magnet right there. Because in order for, you know, all of these buyers to take profit, these are the big players. Then there's some sell orders, right? So most of the sell orders are up here. They might come up here for them to take profit. They gotta take profit, so where they gonna take it? Up here. Some of them gonna take profit. And then the liquidity to take profit. They cannot take profit now because the order is too big. Who's gonna buy it for them? Not us, right? We don't have that type of money. So this is some institutions limit order right here. Cause like when they sell, someone gotta buy in. When they buy, someone gonna sell. Come on, just get above so I can long for my people. I want to be in the trade for fun too. It's just a combine, but on XFA, I would want to long above here. That's real confirmations. Shit, they don't want to get above. Come on now, dude. Just get above. Hold on, I'm gonna put a limit buy right here. I stop buy. Let's see if we can flip it. I'm in. Stop loss just below the candle. Let's see if we can get out of this zone. I'm anticipating in the breakout of this sellers right here. Now I'll take 100 loss, you know. I'm gonna put another stop buy up here. Just pyramid slowly. All-time high soon, baby. There we go. See, as soon as we look, what happened? All of this short covered the positions. As I say, we got pick pop, baby. Come on now. As I say, as soon as we got back above, it's a clear path. You don't trade in this consolidation. You know, it's a clear path. I'm in. So now what? I put my stop order just below this big My stop loss just below this bubble right here. Holy shit! What the fuck? We just popped, baby! Come on now, up 500. God damn, bro, I gotta try my stop loss. Oh my fucking god, baby! Hold on. Ooh. Hold on, let me put a liquidate 1520. Come on, what did I say? Book map. You know? Above here, you do what? What the fuck, Matt? What the fuck is this? All of the short get liquidated. Come on now, baby. Hell yeah, thanks y'all. They just trade with the data, you know? I don't guess. Now you put stop loss below all of this. Maybe right here I'll put below this big bubble right here, you know? Because look, they're gonna defend it. You see? You see the clear path is what's consolidate as soon as get out. What we get? Bam! Just to the moon, baby. Just look at this shit. That's the buy for my people right there. You don't try to bottom tick this shit. You just wait and look how much I already made. Imagine if this is XFA. Dude, I'd be making thousands with bookmap. Reason why I don't take profit is just a combine trying to get 15. Oh shit, if this buyers don't defend, we're finna dumb down to here. Defend this bitch, come on. Defend it. Ah, fuck. Hold on, I might have to take some out if they don't defend it. Fuck. See, if they don't defend it, we flush back down. No. That was a fucking big move. I would take profit on XFA right there. But it's just a combine. Let's see if I get stop out 90 bucks. Dude, but you see, like, if this don't defend it, now we go back to the zone. Let's see if they defend it. Ah, dude. No, it's just a combine. It's fine. I can take another trade. Hold on. I just do break even, bro. Damn, bro. What the fuck? Damn, bro. They don't defend it and we flush back down. As I say, bro. Okay. I know. I'm already break even. It's fine. It's fine, dude. It's a combine. It's a combine. You know, I was trying to make 1500 right there. Damn, dude, they don't defend this bitch. We going back down. Oh, what's up, what's up? Sellers got absorbed again. But that was a wonderful executions, right? As I say, I would take profit on XFA right here. But this is just a combine. I just want a full run for 1500. It's already up one of the account. Yeah, I don't know. This is a lot of sell volume, bro. You know, I don't know if it's gonna hold, bro. It's just crazy. Let's go, Sat. Let's fucking go. Yeah, it's just like, I don't care if I take a break even right here. It's just a combine. And what? I give out a good analysis, right? Good execution. That's all matter, right? Dude, I would take profit on the XFA for sure, man. That was a quick spy, right? I say get above here, you go fucking long. So for me to go long again, I want it to pull back up to here, bro. I don't guess I don't want to long down here again, because like this is a lot of sell volume, right? No, that's still a big move. Like it moved down quick, even with just, it's a fucking 100 ticks move. It's a 35 points move, dude. Yeah, if we get back up here, I'm gonna go back in for a buy right here. I need to get back above here though. But damn, dude, I thought that was a good run for 1500. I was up 1k. Damn, dude. Ah. Yeah, I'm gonna be trading Asia to pass this account real quick. Yo, thanks for the sub, Big D Johnson. Let's fucking go, Asat. Good shit, Asat. Fucking shit, that was just a big thumb, right? As soon as this buyers don't hold, bro, I know I would get break even. All of this, dude. Shit, I should have tried my stop loss. Ooh, it's fine, just a combine, just for fun. I have a stop buy right here. Let's see if we can get pushed back up. And I'll put my stop loss below this big cluster right here. You know what? I'm gonna go in with 4 mini. Yep, I'm gonna have my stop loss below the big cluster. Let's do 95. 94. I'll try it again. Might lose this trade though. If it push back up, I'm gonna go in with another 3. Try my stop loss. Nah, I'll take that 200 loss, you know. You know why I feel this move that big? Because a lot of people are trying to short. They got liquidate. It's just simple. Oh yeah, and also we'll liquidate all the 25,000 stop like orders right here. As I say, big players take profit. Look at this shit. I say 25. That's a big liquidity band, right? And look, they got liquidate. Like the big player took profit right here. They filled the order and took profit. We're not all-time high yet, but yeah, it's gonna go all-time high. I've been saying all-time high so many times this week. I've been waiting for this move, but I missed it. I overslept. Fuck me. In another 4. Come on, get another push. Let's see if we can get 1500. Well, I'm gonna get out for a 1K. Stop loss just below this cluster buyers, you know, which is 95. Bro, if we get back up here, bro, all the sellers gonna get liquidated again. Come on, go, 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 go. Don't stop me out. My stop loss at below 95 right there. See if we can get 1500. Yeah, appreciate it, Matt. That was fun as fuck, right? Yeah, I gotta blow the candle. Here we go, here we go. Let's go. You see, that's why we got this spike. A lot of short got liquidated again. But like, that was not a lot of short. This is why I like real short. This is just people taking profit at the band right there. That's why you don't see a lot of reactions right here. All-time high, baby. That was fun as fuck, right? Even though it's just a break even. But it's fun as fuck. So entertainment right there. Big blow up. These buyers defend for me. If they don't defend. Now it's just poor buyer. No more stop loss until all-time high, which is right here. That's why like we got small moves right now. Because this candle moving down, it's just people taking profit at this band right here. And now no more taking profit. No more orders to fill until all-time high. That's a big fill. So now we're gonna move slowly to all-time high. Damn, dude. Should take 1K right there. So right now, I don't have to go for this move. And I would just take 1500 though. I need this big boys right here to defend. Yeah, R1s, yeah. I have the DOM too, but I just look at the bubbles. Then this line for, you know, orders instead of the DOM. So on the dorm you see the same information. But with bookmap you can see it quicker. Ah! Come on now. Make me happy today with this account. Another contract in at that high right there. Yep, this buyer's defending. Shit. Yeah, we are out of liquidity. It might be a slow move until all-time high, or we might pull back a little bit. But they already took out that liquidity right there. And with ICT, you're not gonna know 25,000 is the liquidity. You know? You're not gonna know until all-time high. You buy high, you sell higher. Come on, baby. Go for me. 5 minutes in. You know, this is a pretty tight stop loss. In order to have this tight stop loss, you gotta use bookmap. Without bookmap, you cannot trade big size. Cause you don't know shit in the market. Like you don't know where to put your stop loss for it to make sense, you know? Keep going. Fucking shit. Bro, a lot of buyers, but like, yeah, this is exhaustion in the market right here before all-time high. Like just big bubble, but like pull all the way back down. Price stalling. Oh, liquidity at 09. Oh my god, since we hit that. Fuck. Damn, buyers defend for me. Just take profit. I don't like this. A lot of green bubbles, but like price stalling out, you know, this is not good. So it might pull back before all-time high right here. I'm gonna take profit right there. No, I'm I'm gonna take profit right there. Now the reason why I don't go break even, because I want to give it some space to run. You buy? Yeah, that live stream playing? I'll take profit right there. A lot of green bubbles, but like price just stalling out. This is not good. So we might pull back and not all-time high until power hour or something. I'll take 600. Okay, we're going back up. It's fine though. You know, I gotta trust what I see. Okay, actually we go all-time high right now. I have some more liquidity to fill. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, but when you see something like this, it's like not good. Like a lot of buys order, but price stalling out, you know. But right here is good because buy orders support, like price go up. That's good. That's healthy. But this is not good. Oh my God, we just got another buy order. Just huge. Fucking all-time high. Lo đợi xíu anh đang livestream. Đang livestream. Lên coi đi. Damn bro, but all-time high. It's 150 bucks 3 months. That's a discount. Have discount right now. Sellers come back in. But this buyer is gonna defend, you see? You see how accuracy it is? Let's move a little bit on gold. I think gold going up. Damn, gold move kind of slow right now, so hold on, let's see NQ all-time high right here. Dude, I might do another scalp. If this buyers don't defend, I probably want to entry around. Hold on, let me see. Some low volume note. The market right here. Got the low volume right here. I'm gonna go in 2 minis. They're defending. This bitch. It's hard right now, dude. Why did I get sub out right here? It's just tough. That was a big dump. Yeah. Good shit though, Asa. You've been doing really good. Now it's consolidating, accumulating for another push up. Dude, I still want to go long though. I'm gonna give it another shot. Stop loss just a little below right here. All of this big bubble. I feel like 11. I'm gonna give it some space. I think right here is good. You know what? I'll risk 500. Can we get a big squeeze? I think this is too far. Shit. I'll just trial. If we tap the high here on NQ, it's gonna squeeze. ES already make all-time high. me mark out the high real quick. If we tap this high, we're gonna squeeze so high. Give it a try. Oh my god, sellers start stepping in right now. See, as soon as we flush this buyer, it's gonna flush down. Yo. Can we get all-time high, please? Today. I need this to defend. No. Oh my god, they don't defend it. Okay, I'm out 500 right there. You see, if they don't defend it, we just flush down. Shit. Duh. Trying to get 1500. It's already up right there. It's hard for me. Yeah. As soon as this buyer don't defend, they just rip. They rip. They just rip. And we have absorptions again. Dude, come on, get all-time high right here. Dude, it's fine. Giving out the sauce. It's, you know, even I'm giving out strategy, it's your choice to be profitable or not. It's all about psychology, as I say. Dude. But you see, like, this, just this buyers don't defend, we flush down, and this don't defend, we flush further. Like, come on now. That's not too good. I was like, damn, this is not too good. I know I would get stop out. Maybe that's a, guess I my stop loss below this buyer, and if they don't defend this bitch, I'm just gonna get stop out. Fuck, should I go again for all-time high? Shit. It's going back up. Let's see, I'm gonna try again if it got above up here. Let's see, sellers defending. Got above up here. I'm gonna think about it again. Shit. A lot of limit buy came in right here, so they might defend right here. So you see big red bubble, but someone just absorbed them, like, you know, like some limit buyers. But if we flush this low, we're gonna go lower. We have liquidity right here at 25,000 again, some limit buy. The round number. Let's see if they're gonna defend it. They're defending it. Aggressive buyers start getting in. Oh, big order right there. The fuck? Big order just came in. Yo. Okay, so now if it get below this low, this buyer gonna get squeezed out. We're gonna flush down right here. Oh. I like that. Big order came in. They gotta be able to bring price up right here, or we're going down. Let's see though. I don't know if it's gonna flush or it's gonna. Okay, aggressive seller stepping in again. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a buy. Let's do 5 minis right here soon. I'm gonna wait for this candle to be closed. You know what? I'm gonna hop in. Stop loss below just those big order right there. 11. Let's do 11. Fuck, get to all-time high for me. Squeeze them out. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Stop loss guy below this big order right here. Damn, bro. As soon as push to all-time high, I think my target is gonna get hit instantly. There's a lot of short gonna get squeezed right here. Bro, if I'm on XFA right now, I go in 5 minis, matchings. Just like how easy is that? $500. Risking 700 just using a book map. Look, as soon as this get touched, it's gonna squeeze up. I might go up a little bit, risking 300, 275. Keep pushing. Yeah, around my position is where big players came into, so I need this to get protect. Defend it for me, so we can have a big move up. Now I'll take $275 loss. You know, it's not that much compared to like 1,400. You know, it's just crazy hard if you know how to use bookmap. So I need them to defend right here. And I was already up like a couple hundred right here, right? So, you know, that's power of bookmap. They don't defend it. We're going back down, retest this right here. If this defend, I'm gonna hop in for a buy again. Keep my losses small. You know? Oh, they defending it. You can see. Let's see though. Let's see if we can get by, or is it gonna flush down? If they're not able to defend it, we flush down. See, that's why I moved my stop loss up just below this buyer. And this is the last zone buyer is supposed to defend. If not, we're flushing down right here. And right here we have another zone, but let's see. I feel like most of the order came in right here. They gotta defend it up here though. So no need for a big stop loss if you have bookmap. Someone that gets absorbed again. And I was up like 800, I think. That was a lot. Like, you know, for that was a 200 loss. It's not that much. Just limit buyers are not defending. If we just push through this low right here, it's gonna flush. Yeah, but I'm still looking for all-time high. They're trying to defend it. Get back above here. I'm gonna go for a long 16. Get back above 16. 15, 16. Try it again. Yeah, you trade with the data, right? Thanks, man. You don't guess all of that. Getting back up to the 16. But for a A plus trade, like for a high win rate, wait for it to get up here. But I'm trying to pass this account, so that's why I'm kind of risk a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in 5. Stop loss just below 10, 210. Let's see, can we get a push up from this buyers? Or are we gonna go down? Come on, just give me the 1500. I'll be out the market. But you can see buyers right here defending. Just need a big pop now. Oh my god, sellers flush through it again. I might get stop out right here. Yep. If this don't defend, I'm gonna get stop out. That's why I wait above 16, but I was trying to get a breakout right here. You know, anticipating the breakout. So I could pass this account. Lower risk reward, higher win rate. But I'm trying to get a high risk reward right here. But you can see they defending. My stop loss is logical, right? It's not that side where I need to put my stop loss. But you can see the sellers up here defending. That's why we push it down. This is a consolidation zone right now. I thought that would be a breakout, but nope. Sellers step back in. I don't like this trade. Take 300 loss right there. Yes, I don't like it. I'm gonna wait for it to get above again to buy, but this is not good. You know, just gotta take the small loss right there. If you wanna win big, you gotta accept the loss. Shit, buyers defended again. Got above, bro. I'ma hop in this time again. I just wanna, cause that might stop me out full 500. You know, I don't want that. I'll check the 325. Okay, we got him back above. Wait for this candle to close real quick. And probably go back in for a buy. Shit. Why I got back? That's a really bad fill. Just go for me. Stop loss below the 13. That's really good. You see, as soon as it got above, we just push, you know. But I was trying to get a breakout right there, and it's just really bad. Took the 300 loss. Just gotta be quick. Seller about to get covered again. Just watch. Finna squeeze. As soon as top this high, we're finna squeeze again. Come Come on now. Yes, yes, buyers came in. Yes. As soon as top this high, I'm gonna go break even. Shee! Let's go, Matt. W, Matt. Yeah, as soon as top this high, I'm gonna go break even right here. But right now, gotta give it some time for the buyers to lock in. Yeah, it's gonna squeeze all-time high. It's like right there, you know. Yo, thank you for the sub. Sorry, I was looking at the chart. I didn't see the name. I need this to defend right here. We squeeze all-time high. Come on. Yeah, drop a like. Thanks, y'all. You know, you gotta give your trade some space. Like, you gotta afford to lose to make money, you know. And then as soon as push this high, I'm gonna break even. It's the most logic right there. Because right now, it hasn't pushed through yet. Then it might come back to retest all of this buyers, you know. There we go. We got defend right here. Can we go all-time high now? As soon as push back up to this high, I'm gonna break even now because it's already retest. I don't need another retest. There we go. Aggressive buyers coming in. Coming in. Give me the 2K I'm looking for. I'm just gonna trial stop loss, to be honest. I don't trust the target no more. Cause last time over here I got dumb, like straight asked him on my face on break even right there. What's up, 1K? Push through this high. I'm gonna go break even. Come on. Drop a like, y'all. Give me that thumbs up for this squeeze higher right here. Come on, give the chart some power, some thumbs up, some going up. For all-time high right here. It's fine, it's just a combine, you know? It's fine. I already up one account. Break even right here. Can we squeeze higher? Matter of fact, I'm gonna try my stop loss. Yeah, market a while, right? Under 22. Right there. This big buyers. We're squeezing, boys. We're squeezing. All-time high. Can we keep going? As I say, we got back above this line. We long, bro. I've been, you know, let's just analyze this. You know? I was trying to break out right here, and then I see, damn, it didn't go my way, so I just exit. And as soon as it got back up, I just re-entry, right? Pretty easy. Now it's gonna get above. Yeah, as long as we are above this buyers. then it's gonna keep going up. If not, then like this might just be a liquidity sweep, you know. Motherfucker, hold it. Amount right there. Yep. Now it's gonna see if it's gonna hold. If it don't, we flush. You see, 22 right there. We don't hold. We kind of flush down a little bit. Motherfucker, bottom take me out. It's fine though. You know, but that was a good trade. That was at 1-1. This buyer's holding. But you know, I just want to lock in profit. That's why I put it below this buyer's. I just want to lock in profit because like down here is like my break even, you know. I just want to lock it in. But you see, if we don't hold, damn dude. Just want to lock it in. I'm trading NQ right now. I'm not on Forex pairs. Just gotta lock it in, you know. I could put my stop loss below here, but I don't think it's worth it because I'm down 500 right there, you know. So just gotta lock it in. Let's see gold. Gold going down. Ooh, I might be able to see something. Gold. Pull up my trading view. The fuck? To see daily profile chart. How's gold doing? Most volume traded right here. So damn. Tomorrow we could go down. Got back into this buyer zone. We're in low volume area. Buyers holding right here. It's moving so slow. Oh my god, you see? What did I just say? If it don't hold, we're going down, dude. Hold on. Yeah, I think it did run up a little bit, but this buyer's got trapped right here. If this don't hold, we're going down. You know what? ES already all-time high. I think that might be a retracement soon. Might be able to scalp some short. If this buyer don't hold. But I'm not gonna go big size. Stop sell 2. Let's see if we can get a break right here. This buyer's just hold. I have some more liquidity up here. Chart just might keep going up right here. lot of buyers came in right here, but they kind of, you know, reason why I short, because a lot of buyers right here. This might trap buyers in there a little bit right here, and this is going for a retracement. It's pretty risky though, because it's still an uptrend. Let's see if I can catch a quick scalp though. As soon as we break out below this, buyer's gonna flush down. That's why I have a stop sell right here. But if not, then just keep going up. Yeah, just keep going up. I'm gonna remove my stop sell right here, and let's see on gold. You see buyers defending right here. I'm gonna wait for a retest right here to see if they really hold it. Trying to go in big right here. Damn, a lot of sellers came in right here though. So in order to go for a good long, wait for the price to get back above here, you know. I might just wait for a price to get back above like 90s, because I'm going big. Because this buyers might fail. I'm gonna give it some time. Let's see how I can. Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna put stop sell again. See if we can push down. My stop loss would be just above this cluster right here. Stop loss above 28. I would do 28. We got push down. If we flush these buyers, it's gonna be bad for them. But they're defending right now. As soon as we push down right here, there's a high chance we might flush real quick. Take a quick scalp. They defending it so hard. Come on now. Buyers supporting it. More buyers getting in. Fuck the limit sell. The stop sell. No, they don't go down for me. Oh my god, this is good. A lot of buyers came in right there, but it fell back down. So if this push back down, it's gonna be so good. If we can push down below here. Buyers just too aggressive today. They buy every dip. Defend it again. You know, they're just buying every dip. No retracement. No, this is book map. I'm on book map right now. Oh. So aggressive, buyers. The field disorder, you can see. Feel it. Oh, someone put some more limit in right here. Iceberg. Someone refilled the order. We got a big fill right here. In order for me to go short, like, it's gotta get below all of these buyers. Oh, aggressive sellers start coming in. Might give that a try for short right here. There's a lot of buyers get trapped up here, limit sells, got filled. You know. I might try right here. Yep, I'm gonna give it a try. Stop loss just above 30. This is going against the trend. This is risky trade. Since push down this low, I'm adding 3 more. Keep trailing my stop loss. I'm in 5. Stop loss 26, above 26. Give it some space. You see, but as soon as push below this buyer right here, it just flush it down, as I said earlier. But I just don't know how far it's gonna flush. So I'm just gonna keep trailing. Give this some space for it to test the seller to see if we keep going down. Give it some space at 28. We might just pull back up strong right here because like this is still an uptrend, you know, so I would want to give it some space at 28. That's the max I would give. Damn, buyer's just so strong today, you know. Short got liquidated again. You know, all of this short come in, you know, to sell out the orders. The big players just hop back in. Dude. This is why going against the trend is so scary. But that was a good execution trade, you know. That was a quick flush down right there for me. And look, the limit buy orders right here. Just pull it all the way back up, absorbs all of these salaries. It's just an insane day. And then kill right here. Okay, long on gold soon. Gold kind of getting back up right here. Want to get a little bit back up. Like up here. Get above this sellers right here. NQ. You know, sometimes it's always come up to test like the last seller before pulling back down. But I think that's too much of a risk for me because I still uptrend. Buy's getting back in. If they get back above here, I might go for a long. can get above the sellers. It's too high right now for me to like have conviction in this trade going long, dude. But I think it's gonna keep going up. Let's see if they can get above right here. I needed to get above right here. You know what? I'm gonna get into and scale more later. Stop loss just below all of this. As soon as I get above, I go for more. Can we get bust through? Or we gonna go back down? I don't know. Therefore, I'm going for small size first. God, there's a lot of buyers get trapped again. Might have to hop out. They don't pull back up right here. It's just so hard when it get close to, when I get to all-time high, you know. Like, it's harder to trade, for sure. Yeah, today's all long, definitely. I was trying to short right there, but they destroyed me. Let's see if this buyer is different. Yeah, power hour, yeah. Just got above here. I'm gonna add in more above this box. Close outside of that box. Oh fuck, that was a quick bust. Can we bring it higher? Or am I gonna get stopped out? Dude, all of this order get filled. This might not be good for me. I didn't expect that big bust. That's not good. Bro, I'll hop out 150 bucks loss right there. That's not good. I don't like that. Dude, big bust and big, you know, I just don't like that. I want it to go slowly at top of the box. So now, if we get back above, I'm gonna go in 5. I don't want to risk that. Yeah, power hour, definitely, dude. Yeah, I don't like that. I help out, dude. Let's see. Let's see on go. Oh, go already push above here. Probably stop by. Should I? Where's 225? Oh my god, bro. We got another bust. Why aren't you doing this to me? Just keep going. Yeah. Just don't flip the candle. Dude. NQ just insane. Like, every time it just poke up, you know, take out some liquidity right there and go back down. It's hard if you're not at the bottom. It's just hard if you're not buying at the bottom. If you're scalping, you gotta take quick trade, you know? You poke up, fall back down. Aggressive sellers coming in. Yeah. To be honest, bro, I like trade gold right now. Like long in gold. NQ just insane. Yeah, micro is good. Hell yeah. Yeah, I predicted like all-time high, but like I overslept today and missed the whole move. Just hop on gold. See how gold doing. Yeah, I know, right? Today's aggressive because we already broke out all of the resistance, and that's why. Should have played this breakout. Should I make a bet that this sellers don't hold? We go higher. It's a bet. Because usually I would want to wait for it to go above first. You know what? I'll bet on it. I'll give it a bet. Let's see. No, it's either a blow or we up right here? Making a bet. Can we blow this sellers right now? No, go move so slowly but surely, you know. But NQ, it's just wild, right? Oh, we push all the way back down. We might flush down NQ. Let's see if gold would be able to push this sellers. We got a squeeze right here. Just above this high. This might be the retracement right here on NQ. Well, I feel like sellers defending right here. I think this is a pretty bad bet, but let's see. Can get it above. I'm betting on this. And seller's gonna get squeezed right here. No confirmation. Yo, but I gotta get going to class. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I usually live stream 7:30 in the morning or 8:30 New York time, you know. But today I missed stream. That's why I'm on here streaming this late. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright? Hope y'all have a wonderful